Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, we go to literature to start off this video, and we go especially to one of Chinua Achebe's book, and that book of course is Things Fall Apart, and the phrase that we are picking from that book is a phrase in that book that says he has taken enough for the owners to see. He has taken enough for the owners to see. So guys, with that I bring you this. IPOB members set into ex-deputy Senate President Ike Ekweremadu in Germany. So that's the headline. IPOB members set into ex-deputy Senate President Ike Ekweremadu in Germany. So that's the headline of the story. Now let's see what entails. Some suspected members of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, set into the former deputy Senate President Ike Ekweremadu in Germany recently. Ekweremadu had reportedly gone to address them in an event when they set upon him and chased him out of the venue. He hastily retreated into a waiting vehicle and sped off. So now that's the storyline. So that's just a caption, and there's a lot of videos and pictures to back this storyline up. So that's just the opening salvo. Now let's go into the next story just to add more flesh to this. So this is the next headline. I helped free Nnamdi Kanu. I forgive IPOB for they know not what they do. Ekweremadu speaks. So now this is now him now speaking on the event. So that's the next headline. I helped free Nnamdi Kanu. I forgive IPOB for they know not what they do. Ekweremadu speaks. So now let's see what he has to say. Former Deputy Senate President Ike Ekweremadu has confirmed a physical altercation on him by members of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, in Nuremberg, Germany. The proscribed group had on Sunday shared a video on its Facebook page, Radio Biafra, showing its members setting upon the senator who represented Enugu West. Radio Biafra wrote, Senator Ike Ekweremadu got away from being set upon by frustrated IPOB family members in Germany. He was seriously questioned and accused of conspiring with Nigeria government in proscribing and killing of hundreds of unarmed IPOB family members in Nigeria. Ekweremadu confirmed the incident in a statement by his media assistant Uche Anichukwu in Abuja, stating he was safe. He, however, condemned the incident and said he had immediately reported it to the Nigerian ambassador in Germany, Yusuf Tugar, another Fulani man. So that's really an ongoing theme now that we are picking up on this channel. Every official you mention now is a Fulani man. I attended the second annual cultural festival and convention organized by the Indigbo Germany in Nuremberg today, where I was billed to give a keynote address along with the President General of Ohanede Indigbo, Chief Niame Nwado, who, however, could not make it eventually, he said. I was given a resounding welcome by the Indigbo in Germany, and everything went smoothly until some men who identified themselves as IPOB members stormed the venue and began to complain about the killings in the southeast, stressing that there would be no Igbo event at the venue. I tried to engage them, but when they became unruly, I had to leave the venue. The organizers also invited the police, and I was accompanied out of the venue. Much as I am disappointed in their conduct, and that should be by their conduct, especially as I am one of the persons who had spoken up on the justice for Indigbo, the Python dance, judicial killings in Igbo land and elsewhere both on the floor of the Senate and in my written and personal engagements with the presidency and the media, as well as rallied the Southeast Senate caucus to secure Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's release with Senator Iberibe taking him on bail to douse tension in the Southeast. I nevertheless do not hold this to heart against them, for they do not know what they do. I have received thousands of solidarity calls and messages from well-meaning Indigbos. I want to assure them that I am hale and hearty. I have also spoken with the Nigerian ambassador to Germany, Ambassador Yusuf Togar. So this is now this guy's response now to his altercation with the Ndigbo in Germany, the Nnamdi Kanu posse, the IPOB guys. So now let's now go on to the third element of this story, because I'm now bringing you three separate installments of narratives on this particular storyline. So now this is the federal government's response. Federal government condemns altercation on Ekweremadu in Germany. So that's the headline. Federal government condemns altercation on Ekweremadu in Germany. So that's the headline from the federal government. Now let's see what Malam Buhari has to say. The chairman of the Nigerian in Diaspora Commission, Abike Dabiri Arewa, so a Yoruba name again. So now all the key functions of the state that are now having opinions on this are like names outside of the Indibo community. So Abike Dabiri Arewa, of course, is a steeped in the wool Yoruba name. So let's carry on. Has condemned the altercation on the former deputy Senate President, Senator Ike Ekweremadu, at the second annual Igbo Cultural Festival held in Nuremberg, Germany. Senator Ekweremadu, who was attending as a speaker and special guest of honor at the event organized by the Indigbo Germany community, was reportedly set upon and publicly embarrassed. Dabiri Arewa, in a statement on Saturday, described the incident as an embarrassment to the country. She stated that some of the culprits who perpetrated the act had been apprehended and called on the German government and law enforcement agencies to ensure they faced the consequences of their actions. The NIDCOM boss stated, "It is also shamefully pathetic that an event which was nobly put together by the Indigbo community in Germany, whose members make up the majority of Nigerians living in Germany, to, amongst other things, provide a forum for the diasporans and various stakeholders to network and to facilitate a better cooperation between Germany and Nigerian businesses, ended up in such a disgraceful manner." She appealed to Nigerians to be of a good behavior wherever they find themselves, because such incidents tarnish the image of the country. So apparently, according to this Yoruba woman, this is what really tarnishes the image of the country. So Malam Buhari ignoring the laws of the country and doing as he wills, and just holding people in jail and gunning people down and brutalizing the country and robbing the place blind, that doesn't tarnish the image of the country. The whole El Zakzaki saga that we're seeing playing out, to the huge shame of everybody, is not tarnishing the image of the country. But these IPOB people confronting the government functionary to ask why their people are being slaughtered in the way they are being slaughtered by these Balams is really what tarnishes the image of the country, as though Nigeria has some sort of image that anybody can line behind in pride. Nigeria is, of course, a basket case in the international community, a source of shame and embarrassment to Nigeria. Nigeria and something that is looked at. Even African countries look down on us. So what image this silly Yoruba woman thinks is being tarnished is really beyond me. It's probably to her knowledge and to the knowledge of the people that are funneling dollars into her account. But certainly it's not an image that is known to me or to any well-meaning Nigerian of any reasonable thought. This is some idiot person who is just earning her coin. So with this statement now, she can go to Aso Rock and collect another bag full of dollars from the Dons Malamis that we have there. But we call them Dons Malamis, but they have rulership over us. So who's the dumb one is really the question. So now conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. IPOB has taken a position. Ike Ekweremadu is their target, and the Yoruba woman is piping in. So come let me know what you think of all these in the comment section. But before you come let me know what you think of all these in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new vid. Then come let me know what your opinions are in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you there, but here I say peace.